In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename chats in DeepSeek AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how this works on the phone app, on Android and iOS. But I'm also going to tell you how this works on your online environment when you basically use chat.deepseek.com. I'm going to tell you how that works, so you will be all good to go with watching this video until the end. So the first thing that we're going to do, either you are on your browser or on your phone, you're going to open the app. And in here, you see it automatically opens a new chat. And when we want to rename a chat, then we are going to our history. So we click on the top left, and on your browser, it will be at the left side of your screen in the bar. And in here, we see our history. We see 3 chats, and two of the 3 have the same naming convention. And let's say you want to rename one of the chats. Basically, what you're going to do on your phone, on your app, is you're going to hold the chat. So hold your finger onto the chat, and now you will have an option to rename or delete. And we're going to click on rename. And let's say we are going to rename this to Hi 2 to distinguish them. We click on done, and as you can see, the renaming is done right now. And when you want to rename on your desktop, what you're going to do is you're going to hover your mouse over the chat, and there you see 3 stripes. And when you click on these 3 stripes, you will also see rename and delete. And then of course you're going to click on rename and click on enter, and then your renaming will be final. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.